Ikaw talaga. Ano, hiniwa mo na to? Ay, this is not chocolate, Patan. O, hayaan mo na, pwede na yan.
Waalaikumsalam, pakailan.
Assalamualaikum. Oh, magkain sila ng cake. You eat with us.
Okay.
Mga tao dito, bigla-bigla. Sit. How you say sit?
Kina.
Kina. Kina. Move little. Little. Mokchar, paano to?
Okay.
How we will eat?
You cut,
You cut this also. So we can put cakes here as well. Get something for them, Moktiara.
Yeah, like this.
Ba yan?
Cut this small.
Kala mo naman, bisitang pangdangal. Ah! Yala na, tag na. Dali na. Hiya ka pa eh. Ay!
Pupuri marah ka?
Let's make this ano na lang. Party slice tayo.
Shulawal.
Kasi marami tayo. Is this chocolate pata? I hope it's
I don't know,
chocolate.
but because of the heart, that's not nice.
Because of
It's in the
that?
fridge, but yeah, it's boiled.
Ah, it's mocha. Pwede na yan. Laban na yan. Oh, yala na.
I
Pata.
think this is more tasty and nice.
Ah, manadalian mo na. Nahiya ka pa. Wala ka dyan.
Wali. जी आओ कोर था लड़ो कोर ले आओ दस धक्के वाली वाह
Ay, may fruits Maya. Dali na. Dali na. Oh, kumara. Kumara good, oh.
और उस्मान आदिल बस आदिल से शो
Patan, give them.
माशाल्लाह
Ah, dali na. Tikman mo. Anasa? Saan mo nagalit ka pa?
अरे नहीं बात है बात
Get na. It's good. Bigat mo. Hindi ko alam kung yung cake gusto mo o ako eh. Visit ka. Ay. Eat na. Kuha ka na lang. Patan, just tell them to just get. Sumaya. Dali na. Sumaya. Ay, the cake. Kain ka na. Patan. Tell them to get. They live in this village also?
no it's from Tasdukum Zai it's from other village there in the mountain area near that we went to for the Maha yesterday Takel Tanil Takel they study here Islamic study in madrasa
Okay. Okay.
Mala Ranji Shaba
Patan, give them na. Let
Kuri
them.
ka wala ka Nokhri Jarlandu Chalo khori Shaba
Kain ka pa.
Chalo khori
The 14, just give them Patan.
I
Because
tell them to eat but they are not taking
of course, they are shy. People here are like this. Wait. Every people here is like this. Oh. Give it to them, Patan. Oh.
ये तो हम खाओ
Please na. Please na.
Wali, magri.
Yala.
Wali.
Okra. Magkain ka pa. Dito ka nga sa tabi ko. Magkain ka pa. Si Anas, ah. Patan si Anas.
Ano sa?
Smaya. You eat more. See, the kids like it. Yan. Okra. Ay, i-push you.
Sumayo ko siya ba?
Magkain ka pa. Kalas? Sure?
No ko rin. Cake the dear मजेदार है.
Ah, okay. It's not eating sweet. Patan, look what you did to him, oh.
Ali है Ali.
Sir Ali, I was looking for you.
Sige,
Makain ka na. Mag-upo ka na. Dali na.
लाओ खरी साढ़े खरी मौलवी से सलाम हुआ है ना वागा भी जिसे बदरजम ना सरवा मेलमाम दरवालम सही जा
Taray na ito. Asyong, oh. Asyong ka dyan. Look, asyong. Syukriya. Lapas. Bye.
हम खा
Buka na.
आना
Umaya! Dali na, umaya!
बच्चे
Kung ganyan yung mga bisita, maglabas ng cake. Oh, kumain ka na ng cake.
बिचा
Absolutely. Hi, sayang to. Pata. Huwag mo, busitin ng bata. Buisit ka din. Umaya! Ay, Uma.
पासा वालों देगा
You go to the river?
आता हूँ लेगा हाँ
River?
पास हो खरा कर गया हो गया
Where's the fish?
نخري ولي بين نخري شابي كم يخري ولي ما شرمي شابي
Visit ka? Ang isda ka, di ka nag-uwi?
نخري خلينا تجي
How are you? Ako yata pinunta mo dito, hindi yung cake eh. Visit ka, yung mga titig mo sa akin.
يا شو ميا ميا
بس كيف
See, the kids like it.
كاغا سير جدا
Sumaya.
ميا لا خري شابها
لي تدلي وين
Sumaya. Good?
وعليكم السلام خير علي غالي
Good? Can you ask if it's good? Good? You like it?
كل يوم مزيدارو ها
Mukha naman, pangatlo niya na yan eh. You want?
يقول خوكي شباب البيار على ما
Hindi talaga gusto yung kutsara dito.
شباب البيار
Wait.
He not say anything. I say, okay, you don't like. If you want to, if you like, it's nice. He will bring tomorrow. If not, then he say yes, it's nice.
She's shy, but she take 3. See? First no. But after I give a lot. But this is, they will more like if it's chocolate. That's it. We just had cake today. Just because I don't think that these kids have tried eating cake. So we're gonna have another tomorrow. He needs something. I know. He needs something. Anasa. Yung mga ganyang paglalambing mo sa akin, may kailangan ka, sabihin mo na. Okay, finish it. Ano ba? Yung cake ba pinunta mo o ako? See? He cannot focus to you. That's it. Hi everybody, Kate Toretta here. Good morning, still from Swabi, Pakistan. So for today's video, we were invited to Wanapur Village wedding here. So let me take you. Let's go. Okay, I need payong, sorry ha. Don't tell me I'm Maarte, I just need payong. I will do the salam alaikum. Salam alaikum, how are you? Good? Yeah, good. Hoy, the payong. Assalamu alaikum, how are you? Oh, there's too much people here again. The salam alaikum is starting. Assalamu alaikum. This ko pinagkakagulo. Later. We will do later. Yeah. Again, it's starting. I told you. Hoy, the payong, ha?
This is the guy who's married. The white,
Asan?
the white one.
Ay,
This one.
this is the assalamu alaikum. Congratulations to you. Okay, he got married daw. Okay, he was the one.
Kamusta ka?
Good, ay, mabuti. Pag tayo.
My village video.
Okay, village video. Okay, hello.
Media.
Ay, may media pa kayo. May village. Go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Congratulations. Siya daw yung kinasal. He was the one who got married. Too much people look. Kalma. Relax. Everybody relax. Ako lang to. 2,000 pa lang follower ko sa YouTube. Kalma kayo. Inside daw. Okay, let's go inside. We'll go inside. Asan na si Patan? Where's Muktiara? Ay, nagkakagulo. I will go, sure. Mashallah daw, mashallah. Okay, let's do this. Asan na si Patan? Ay, assalamualaikum. Ang daming assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Ang daming salamalaikum. Ang daming salamalaikum. Ay, there. Asan na si Muktiara? Well, assalamualaikum. It's okay, I'm shy. Asan na si Muktiar? Hoy, ang daming tao, naiya ako. Asan na si Patan?
Margaret Sacho. Hello, my
Assalam.
friend. How are you?
Good, you?
Good.
Good, Acha.
You come back, how?
Yeah, I will come back. Yes.
Chitadi.
Go. Chara! Tumatawag tayo ng backup. Assalamualaikum. Malaikum assalam. Good. Daming assalam, oh. Good, you? Ay, bakit ako naka-shoes? Sorry. Yeah, good.
Sit here.
I'm shy. Okay, wait. I will sit, but later. Okay, syukriya. Ayun, hindi na ako nakapag-focus. Sorry, ha? Yung camera ko ang gulo na. Okay, kalas? Ang dami pala. Lahat pala to talaga. Okay, go. Nagkagulo na. Picture daw. Okay, go. Si Patan, mali ng... Ay, sorry. Okay, good. Okay, go. Mashallah. Patan! Buwis ito si Patan. Iniwanan ako. Nagkakagulo. Wait. Later. Later. Patan, magstay. Ngiti-ngiti lang tayo. Pero magka-crowd anxiety na yan. Okay, go. Wait. Ano na, Patan?
Come with me, come.
Later. Patan, I stay with you. Nakakapit ako kay Patan. Oh. Natakot.
Come with me, come.
Wait.
Na, pare, خلق لي وليدي خان دي
Oh, this is the father pala of the one who got married.
بس
Oh.
كينا
Father.
Yeah. Pero umupo ka na. Dali na. Umupo ka na, Patan. Umupo ka na. Umupo ka na.
بس
Tinakot si Patan. Umupo ka na. Wait. We will wait. Wait. Umupo ka na.
When they say go up because people eating there.
Okay, let's eat. Yes, good.
Nakaruta is the video. Okay.
Oh, ito naman tao. Oh. Ah. We are being surrounded. I can take picture. It's okay. With me? Or what?
The old guy, uncle.
Okay, let's go. Stay with me. Let's go. Yung kapit ko kay Patan ako. Baba ka man. Huwag mo kong bitawan. Gigigil ako sa'yo eh.
Come with me, come.
Ah, go daw. Parang mali yung decision ko. Wala sumama. Okay, picture. You go. Alam mo ba tayo? Dali, nagkakagulo.
Come there.
Yeah. Let's go to the quiet place. Fast. Sabi ko na eh, magkakagulo sa wedding eh, kaya ayoko sumami. See, this is what I'm telling you. That's why I don't want to go. I will get all the attention.
The health people.
Ako, kumpleto na naman kayong tatlo. Ay, Patan, daming tao. I told you, let's not. I go home na.
Yeah, you can make here.
I don't need, it's okay. Yala, sit na. So we can relax. Nangaaway na ako. Natataranta na rin siya eh. Ayun na, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo. Nagkakagulo sila eh. Buti ang kulang ng father ng kinasal, diba?
This is the father, yeah.
Yeah.
Father of Zakirin.
Sakirini?
Zakirin, yes.
Sakirina?
No, not the other one.
Ah, okay. The wedding?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Ito, Sakirina. Shabi, Zay! Okay. Padalaw tayo. Oh, well, the doctor is already eating. We're still here, Patan. Say salam alaikum to everybody. Good, you. Doon tayo sa dulo. Upo ka dyan. Dito na tayo. Dumulo na tayo. Huwag na tayo lumayo. Doon ka mapuka doon. Minta yung ulo ko, di ba? Ang aga ko uminit ang ulo. Si Patan, eh, gago. I thought it's just gonna be a small wedding. Kala ko ano lang, mga 3 tao, 10, shoot, buong barangay pala yun nandito dahil nataranta ako. No? Good. Patan, I'll just go. Mag-go home na lang ako. Okay. I don't want to. It's okay, I sit here. Wait nag-ground anxiety ako. Everybody, sorry ha. Naloka ako sa biglaang pagtanggap ng tao.
There is the cooking there.
Oh, the cooking, yeah, I want to make. Now? You're not hungry?
No.
Okay, sure. Alright. Okay, they want me to see some other things. Okay, let's do this, everybody. Oh, come. Let's come. Let's follow them. Nahagard ako bigla. Shoota. Yung pawis ko ang OA. Teka, ayaw ko lumayo kay Patan. Nakahatak ako bigla. Okay, let's make the video. Here is all the cook. Saan ba? Assalamualaikum. Ay, ang dami. Batcha naman pala. Ay, hinarang. Huwag mo harang. Uy, taray nung wedding dito talaga, no? Batcha. Salam. And also, all the cooking there. Assalamualaikum. Ay, ayun pa, oh. There's sun, I don't want to go. Zoom na lang natin yung camera.
Let's go there near.
There's sun nga, I don't like.
You want?
Okay, we're hiding. We're on the meeting right now. I want to go home. Hindi kinaya ng powers ko yung bigla ang... Oh, let's sit there na, Patan. Sorry, hindi kinaya ng powers ko yung bigla ang ano ng tao. Nasyak ako. Kagigising ko lang kasi. Tapos bigla akong...
Come, come.
It's not gonna be okay. Let's go. Patan, ayaw mo makinig sa akin. Nagmamalditan na ako. Nababad trip na ako eh. Oh. I told them I don't like. Okay, show it. Pag ako nagbalot dito
Assalamualaikum.
babalot ko talaga to dahil. Ha? Parcel? Okay, go. If there's parcel, sure. Can I go? Sorry, I don't like. Wait. Si Mukhtar, ewan ko kung anong naiisip. Sabi ko, wag na para bawas gulo na. Ay, ang dami talaga! Talaga naman, ay. Tira mo, uday. Pangkalahating taon na namin yan Yeah, too much. Ganun. Okay, so you have to put charcoal pala there. That's how you cook it. Buffalo. Another one. Ay. Pakainin yung...
Sweet.
Okay. Oh. Hindi mo kaya, pinakain yung buong village. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. Put. Grabe yung special treatment nila sa akin dito. Di ba? May tagapayong ka pa talaga.
I cover from heat. You can go.
Where? Okay, kinover niya raw yung heat. Pero ang init sa mukha, grabe. Good, you. Ay, eto na ang mga masarap na pagkain. Ipakita natin yan. Hoy, I'm showing you everything just so you can see like... Di ba? Very village life. I told you.
Zakirin marriage.
Zakirin. Yes, Zakirin. Yeah, see, everybody ha. This is the whole tour of everything that's happening. Tapos ang dami nakasunod na camera.
Too much danger this.
Pak police? Security. Taray, may security pa kami. Oh,
This
go.
marriage man named Zakirin.
Yeah, Zakirin. And you are dangerous man.
No. This is my name.
Char lang.
Just joking.
Yeah, just joking. Oh, yan sarap. Okay, nagutom. Hi, you. Ano, pula. Nagutom na ako. Okay, let's do it. Good mood na ako ulit. Bipolar pala. Bipolar. Okay, saka. Sit. The father. Saji, baba dyan. Baba dyan. Yeah. The father. Where we sit? Where we go? Again, this is the father of the guy who got married. We will go down there.
Sit there.
Okay, we go. Pata! Asal si Mukhtar. There we sit there. There. Yes, there. May mga pasimpleng tingin na ako kay Mukhtar. Major. Taray, tapos na kayong kumain. They're all done eating. Yeah, camera. Also. Same.
Same.
Mukhtar, ha? Taka, pinaparada ako ng tatay nung kinasal. Hindi ko alam saan ako dadalhin. Sumama tayo. Already done, ha? Thanks na. Wait nga. Chara. Wait. Oh, the payong. Okay, go. Amazing. Oh, where we go? Ask him where we will go. The umbrella. Yes, the umbrella. Awesome.
कैमरा से कैमरा बस मुख्तार दमक के शकना मुख्तार आ गए बच्चे मुख के
Nagre-record ba?
बड़े अरमान पा दादू विचार अलग कब बदन बोझी
This social media.
बस फिनिश रूट की अना मुझे कर दी
No, it's okay. No, it's okay. First we eat.
वे चाइनीज की
Chinese.
दे बस खुरी रक्षा हुआ पसंद तीन होगा ना
Yeah, let's eat. Ay! Yeah, that's me. Follow.
के तो रे तो
Galing.
बस का खाना लोग नहीं था
Kakagulo na. Tara na. Yeah, eat. Ayala na. Yes. Let's go.
this my baby you take
Okay. Yeah, I will take picture later. Nasusunog na yung balat ko. Sunog na ako. Patan, let's eat first. Here is okay na. Let's eat here. Paano na magkagulo? Patan, the drinks. Everybody, this is like my first ever like, wait nga, I'll fix the camera. It's tagilid. Everybody, this is gonna be like my first ever wedding experience here. So what we're seeing is the raw and authentic experience here. So let's do this. So ayan, let's go, let's eat na. Ay, sorry, I really felt like the crowd anxiety earlier. Nagulat ako dahil hinatak ako. Hindi ko alam kung anong mangyayari kanina. So, but yeah, let's eat. Gusto ko to, mga kainan na ganito. Moktiara, better I go. We're disturbing the wedding na. It's like I'm the one who's newlywed. This is not my celebration. Patan, I like this part. It's my favorite part. Patan, I need to drink.
They're drinking already.
Di ba, ang super authentic ng vlog ko, nakikita niyo yung mga irap-irap ko. Pag naiirita na ako, I told you this is the raw and authentic, unfiltered, uncut vlog. Ay, talaga naman. May exposure din kayo. Hindi kayo magpapaawat.
They're putting more.
Yeah.
We need more.
We need like this. That's
Really? Hey, hey, alhamdulillah.
So everybody, that's it. I just finished eating. I really got the crowd anxiety earlier because again, I just woke up and then suddenly like a bunch of people are like eating me. So yeah, and I haven't had anything also this morning because I know that we're gonna eat a lot. I know that this is a wedding, so I know that there's really gonna be a lot of food. So I didn't eat this morning, and then suddenly a lot of things are happening. So okay, I wanna go. I'm telling Mokchay, let's go home, Nas, because the attention has been diverted to me, not to the wedding. Hoy, I honestly don't know if I'm still gonna upload this or not. I don't know what happened to this vlog. Hindi ko na na-handle. Grabe. Kasi ang daming tao. Na-shock ako. So I don't know if I'm still gonna upload it or not. Let's see what's gonna happen. Tiara! Okay. I really thought that it's gonna be just like 10 to 15 people. Hundreds naman pala. More than. So, ayan. Na-shock ako. Bumagsak yung pole bangs ko, oh. Hindi handa sa mga nangyari. Let's go? We're gonna go na kasi I don't want to stay. Not that I don't want it, but you know, because like, just see this. Look. See? So we go na lang, right? Okay, so this is it. See? I like the celebration here. I'm trying to vlog talaga. While conquering, while hiding the anxiety. Nasyak kasi ako. It's like, yung kagigising mo lang, tapos biglang, ay, pak, ano nangyari? Tapos si Moktiara, bigla pa nawala sa tabi ko yung hinahatak na ako. Kaya bigla ako, yes. So, ayun. Diba? Tell him not today. Tell him to behave today.
Okay,
Not today. I'm not in the mood now. Stop the KKK today.
Azim Khan namang laro.
Okay. We're just gonna say bye-bye na to the wedding.
Laro Khan, sama.
Thank you. Shukriya. Okay.
Saida. Come here. Papa.
Alam mo, naging sabotage tong vlog na to. I don't know if I'm still gonna upload it.
Mama, Oizu Khan.
Here we go. Shukriya. What did I say?
سوي بها
بس شكرا.
شكريا ذاك
Here we go.
بس
Bas.
اختي جاكين ما شاء الله ذا
Shukriya.
شكريا
Yeah, shukriya.
يا كويتن كنا أخيلا برادي يا كويتن
Ha?
دير في كويتن
Ha, Saida.
نيتانا ذي وتوه
After few days, have another wedding, so you'll come again.
After few days again. Okay. Shukriya. Where is the guy? The son, the wedding guy.
لكن
Yeah, the Zakirin.
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 Kadi pershoti osra. Udriga. Apal ja agar udriga sara. Agar shatra.
Natum. Natum.
Na, puti manu wardi. Raju.
Nahatak niya ako.
Puti manu tekniki. Tekniki dia.
Oh, ano na, let's go na.
After 5 days again.
After 5 days again, okay. Pwede bang fire style na lang? Pinabalot na lang. Shukriya. Ay, ang cute ng tao. Hi, they are very kind, Dad. Don't take it wrong. Don't take it wrong. It's just me. It's just the crowd anxiety. Sorry. That's a problem. Not them. Okay. Just see. Look. Look. Try mo yung hawak ko kay Mukchar. Oh, ayan na. Mukchar. Oh, ayan na.
Aliman.
Huwag sa arawan, ang inat. Kulit na itong isang to, kaya na pa ako hinahatak. So, tara na. Let's go. Mukchar, the umbrella, it's hot. Ang sakit sa balat.
Take this side, start the motorcycle.
Okay, go. Oh, let's go. I don't want. Sorry talaga. Sabotage tong... Oh, again, we're going home. They want us to stay, but sorry, I had to say no. Because it's just too much, really. I hope you understand. Wait, the seat is hot. So, move. Oh, see, the kids just want stop, so we have to go. Oh, we have lunch pa daw somewhere. Oh, diba? What time is the lunch?
12:30.
Oh, you go alone.
No.
Oh, no. Bala ka kumain mag-isa mo. You want to go, you go. Not in the mood now. See, my God. Hoy, I'm really sorry. This vlog is sabotage. But I don't know how will I upload this. But let's see. Kung paano ko to maipagtatagpi-tagpi. I really don't know what's gonna happen. How will the result be? But let's see again. Okay. So, mga bagets, tinan mo, tinan mo,
Umaya, in Umaya.
Also here?
Yeah.
My God, this is too far. Yes, ending na tayo. Again, this is Kate Tuero. Thank you for watching this. I don't know what kind of vlog is this. The Sabotage Wedding vlog. And they invited us again after what happened. And bye-bye. Kate Tuero, bala kayo sa buhay. Hindi ako makapag-isip, patang shoota ka kasi, buwisit ka. Ulok sa'yo. Tapos yung program pa ulit. Ay, mag-isa ka, umaten ka kung gusto mo. Naiwan ako dito. Kaya alam mo, we are home. Piling ko nag-anxiety na ako. Piling ko na-develop na, nagkakaroon na ako yan. I think I'm starting to have anxiety.
Musa.
Press! Nanood na lang siya. Ay, shake Musa. Meet shake Musa. Nag-anxiety na ako, uy. Parang dito na ako nagka-anxiety. Nagka-anxiety na ako sa crowd. Kailangan natin ng press. Yung massage, tawag ko press. Na-stress ako, dahil. Bumagsak yung full bangs ko. Oh, shoot. Hindi ako nagka-full bangs.